Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make objects bigger in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a cube. So we can go to Add Mesh and add a cube here. Close up to view it. We have three ways to make objects bigger in Blender. The first way, make sure that we select the objects and then press S. And then we can move the cursor to make it bigger. And then use left mouse button to click to confirm the scaling. So we can go to the resize panel, we can scale in X individually, scale in Y, and scale in Z. And also we can click and drag to select all of them. And then we can type the value. For example, I type 1.5 to scale all together. This is the first way. The second way, we can use the Gizmo. Make sure that we select the objects and then go to scale, click it, and then we can find the Gizmo. We can scale in X, Y, and Z by clicking the box. So this is the second way. The third way, we can use transform panel. We can go to the small arrow, click it to show transform panel, or we can close it first, or we can use shortcut N to show transform panel. And then we can find scale here. We can scale individually. And also we can scale it all together. I press 2 and enter. So after scaling it, make sure that we set the scale to 1. So make sure that we select the object and then go to Object and go to apply scale. So we set the scale to 1. So this is how we can make objects bigger in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video.